Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Jasmy, I wanted to do another daily update. Like I said, I'll keep doing these daily updates probably for some time longer. However, yesterday I was arguably wrong, all right, because it still could be the case that will fall down. And to be honest, to start off this video, and you might not like that, but I still think it's most likely we will fall down, and I'll tell you why. All right, it's not that I want it to fall down. It's just that I think if you look at the numbers, it's most likely that it's going to fall down. But we'll get to that later. But what I said yesterday we had just found support at this level right here at 1.25 cents. Technically, just a very, very strong support level. So what I also said is that, all right, what I expect from here on out is that Jasmy is going to be bearish, but that we will have big spikes in between. All right, so what I said yesterday is that, for example, from this level, we could spike up to 1.55 and 1.6 cents again. Now, what happened is that we rallied a bit higher. All right, so in that sense, I was wrong. And we even got a technical bullish breakout. So that happened. However, the main reason, and like I said, I really don't want to be bearish on Jasmy. And I know that there are bullish fundamentals, even though I think those fundamentals are not that bullish that a move like this was justified, but all right. But even though I don't want Jasmy to be bearish, and most of you that have followed me for a longer period of time and have followed my Jasmy analysis have known that when I think Jasmy is bullish, I'm very bullish on Jasmy. But the thing is that if we look at the numbers right now, what you'll see is that the price has rallied up a lot again, but the open interest is way lower. All right, so the first time we rallied up to these levels around 1.8 cents, we had about $120 million in open positions. Right now, the second time we got up towards $64 million in open positions. So the interest and just in general the capital that's flowing towards Jasmy is much lower, which means that there's less interest. You can also see right here that while the open interest is going up here, the CVD is not necessarily going up. So that also means that there's probably some shorts being opened, which you can, by the way, also see on the liquidation heat map, because there is still quite a lot of liquidity to the upside. That's actually quite bullish. All right, just objectively, that's not bearish. If you have quite a lot of liquidity to the upside, what that means is that there's a bit of a magnet to those levels up there. All right, so here you can see quite a lot of liquidity up here. But in general, like I said, I think it's most important to look at that open interest. There's just not that much interest, not that much hype around Jasmy right now. And there's a probability that some shorts have been opened. And we all know, and we talked about that the last couple of days, Jasmy is at least partially manipulated, more manipulated than the average crypto, which you can also see from where a lot of the volume is coming from, mainly XT. So I still think it's most likely that, sure, we might actually spike up a little bit first to grab that liquidity at the previous top at 1.85 and 1.9 cents. As you can see, that's where the liquidity is. But after that, I do expect us to break down below 1.5 and 1.55 cents again and to drop back down to 1.25. And from there, we'll see again. But I think that's most likely, unless the only way I think this could be invalidated is if we see a massive climb in the open interest. All right, so that would mean that more and more positions will be opened, and then we have some possibilities. But for now, still think it's most likely we'll do something like this, or just straight away something like this. All right, those are my thoughts. And if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you don't like the analysis, let me know down there as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday and bye.